In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an invoice through your commerce platform. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or simply someone looking to streamline your billing process, handling invoices efficiently is crucial. Let's dive in and simplify this task. First, let's talk a little about why creating a detailed invoice is important. An invoice isn't just a request for payment, it's also a key piece of communication that reflects your professionalism and attention to detail. It provides both you and your client with a clear record of what is being billed and serves as an integral part of your financial documentation. Let's begin by navigating to the Invoices section of your commerce platform. This area is typically designed to be intuitive, but if you're new or it sometimes feels overwhelming, don't worry, you're not alone. With practice, it becomes second nature. You'll find the option to create a new invoice. Click on this, and a form or template will open up. Here's where you start putting together the information that uniquely identifies your transaction. You'll want to include all the pertinent details such as your client's contact information and the specifics of the products or services provided. This part of the invoice is crucial. Having clear descriptions and accurate pricing helps ensure there are no misunderstandings down the line. Also, make sure to specify the terms of payment. While it may seem like a small addition, explicitly stating these terms can prevent future hassles, ensuring everyone is on the same page regarding when and how payments should be made. After inputting all this data, it's a good idea to double check every section of the invoice. You want to make sure the quantities, descriptions, and prices are correct. It's always easier and more professional to catch errors now rather than after you've sent the invoice. Once everything looks good and you've verified that your calculations are correct, you can save a draft to review later or finalize it if you're ready to send it out. Now comes the step of sending the invoice. Before you hit send, it might be worth it to preview the invoice, making sure it displays well and checks all the boxes for what you want to communicate. Once satisfied, find the option on your platform to email the invoice to your client. Some platforms even allow you to personalize the email message. This is an excellent touch to add a bit of personality or gratitude, helping to strengthen your business relationship. And there you have it. With a click, you've sent out a professional invoice. Knowing how to efficiently create and dispatch invoices ensures smoother cash flow and can really enhance your business operations. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget, consistent practice makes perfect, and pretty soon it will be a seamless part of your routine. See you next time.